Greatest buildings vocabulary. About 50 greatest buildings names in English with pictures. Okay, so let's dive into the topic. Parthenon, Colosseum, Taj Mahal, Temple of Heaven, Angkor Wat, Dome of the Rock, Alhambra Palace, Cathedral Metropolitana, Big Ben, Burj Khalifa, Christ Church, Chrysler Building, Dancing House, Cathédrale Notre Dame de Paris, Eiffel Tower, Empire State Building, Great Pyramid and Sphinx, Great Wall of China, Hagia Sophia, Himeji Castle, Guggenheim Museum, Lotus Temple, Houses of Parliament, Potala Palace, Jinmao Tower, Leaning Tower of Pisa, La Pidira Casamila, Palace of Knossos, Pompidou Center, the Gherkin or 30 St. Mariacs, St. Basil's Cathedral, the Blue Mosque, Space Needle, Sydney Opera House, the Gateway Arch, the Shard, Flatiron Building, Sagrada Familia, Shanghai World Financial Center, Lotte World Tower, Shanghai Tower, Frauenkirche Dresden, 432 Park Avenue, Taipei 101, Colline Notre Dame du Haut, Fairmount Les Châteaux Frontenac, Frauenkirche Dresden, Konark Sun Temple, Great Mosque of Jain, the White House, Sistine Chapel, the Basilica of the Sacred, Falling Water, Villa Savoy, Westminster Abbey,